Hey, again, you have to go longer. I'll go 1. Okay, go 1, 2, 3.
I saw a fish.
You saw a fish.
I saw a different fish.
A different fish.
There. There.
Did you have fun? Huh? You said you want Papa to bring you to the beach. Oh, we're at the beach now. Drop na natin yan din. Life vest natin. Finish na. Okay. Baba to.
What is that?
Sa kayak. Okay. Okay, thank you kuya.
I want to ride the kayak.
They're gonna use it. Balik tayo dun. Taga na iba.
I want to ride the kayak.
Hold this like this.
I want to ride the kayak.
Tomorrow no, we didn't bring enough money, okay? Hold this to your face.
I want to buy sand toys.
Da?
Sand toys.
Ano sandal?
I want to buy some sand toys.
Pag-uwi na.
I want to buy some sand toys.
You want to swim somewhere? Ha? Drink water muna. Drink water muna tayo. Nakahangin na.